Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how we can add board view or how we can add even the Kanban view in Todoist. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is when you're gonna here, you just wanna go to right top corner to the three dots, and you can see here the view as a board, and here you got it. So another way how you can do it, let me show you. You can simply, when you're gonna create an add project, you're gonna see it here, view, list, or board. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.